Stop! Put down that car loan application right now. What I'm about to show you will save you from financial ruin. This car just lost someone $52,000 in 5 years. That's not a house payment. That's not college tuition. That's pure money incineration. Today, I'm exposing the 20 most dangerous financial traps disguised as luxury vehicles. Some lose more money per year than most people make. And number one, it's so bad that even dealers won't take them in trade. I'm your host, and this isn't just another car review. This is your financial survival guide. Let me paint a picture. You walk into a dealership feeling successful. You've worked hard, your credit's good, and you deserve something nice. The salesman shows you this beautiful machine, leather that smells like success, technology that feels like the future. But here's what he won't tell you. In 60 months, you'll owe $30,000 on a car worth $8,000. Your neighbors will avoid eye contact, your mechanic will buy a vacation home with your repair bills. This happens to 2.3 million Americans every year. Don't be a statistic. Methodology and credibility. Before we dive in, here's how I ranked these automotive disasters. The depreciation death formula. 5-year value loss percentage, real repair costs from actual owners, market saturation data, and reliability horror stories from mechanics. I've analyzed data from Kelley Blue Book, Edmunds, Consumer Reports, and dealer auction results. Plus, I interviewed 47 mechanics and talked to owners who lived these nightmares. Trust me, these numbers will shock you. Countdown structure. Tiers 20 to 11. Tier 4, the merely devastating, 60 to 63% loss. Numbers 20 to 16, the German guilt trip. Starting at number 20, the Audi A7 loses 60.5% in 5 years. That's $43,000 gone faster than your teenager's college fund. Add to a Tumany video. I thought I was buying prestige. I bought a subscription to bankruptcy. But here's the twisted part. This isn't even close to the worst. The Mercedes S-Class at number 19 loses $71,000. That's a Tesla Model 3, gone, evaporated, deleted from existence. Quickfire montage of cars numbers 18 to 16 with loss amounts. Land Rover Discovery, number 18, $37,000 vanished. Audi A6, number 17, $35,410 incinerated. Cadillac Escalade SV, number 16, $53,500 obliterated. The pattern emerges. Luxury sedans in an SUV world. German engineering equals German repair bills. Yesterday's technology at tomorrow's prices. Tier 3, the financially destructive, 61 to 62% loss. Numbers 15 to 11, where dreams go to die. The Infiniti QX60 at number 15 represents everything wrong with luxury light. It's a Nissan Pathfinder in a tuxedo. All the pretension, none of the performance, maximum depreciation. But the real crime is the Audi Q7. This thing has more computers than NASA's moon landing, and they all fail at exactly 60,001 miles. I see these every week. Air suspension collapses, touchscreens go black, and owners go broke. But wait, we haven't even reached the truly terrifying ones yet. Everything you've seen so far is child's play. The top 10 cars on this list don't just lose value, they actively steal your future. Number 7 loses 64% of its value despite being the future of transportation. Number 3 was supposed to revolutionize the industry, but instead revolutionized financial ruin. And number 1, the brand literally gave up on America because nobody would buy their cars. The Tier 2, the wealth destroyers, 11 to 6. The British invasion of your bank account. Number 11, Range Rover, the $68,000 mistake. It's not just a car, it's a lifestyle. Yeah, a lifestyle of Uber rides while your Range Rover lives at the repair shop. Month 1, I felt like royalty. Month 13, I felt like a peasant paying the Queen's repair bills. Number 10, Cadillac Escalade ESV, American Excess. The ESV stands for Especially Stupid Vehicle. 13 mpg means you're basically burning $20 bills at every red light. The Tesla trap. Number 9, Tesla Model X Falcon Wing fail. Those cool doors that impressed your neighbors? $30,000 to fix. Your neighbors won't be impressed by your bankruptcy notice. The doors broke 3 times in 2 years. My insurance company actually laughed at me. Number 8, Maserati Levante, Italian disappointment. Nothing says I make poor financial decisions like a Maserati SUV. It's like ordering pizza in a sushi restaurant. Technically possible, but why would you? Number 7, Nissan Leaf, yesterday's future. Remember when 84 miles of range sounded impressive? The Leaf aged like milk in the sun. The final 5, Tire 1, the financial apocalypse, 64% plus loss. Number 6, BMW 5 Series Hybrid, the worst of both worlds. Hybrid technology, all the complexity of electric, all the maintenance of gas, none of the benefits of either. Number 5, Maserati Ghibli, Italian nightmare. $71,000 gone in 5 years. For that money, you could buy a house in Ohio. Instead, you bought a car that mechanics refuse to service. Number 4, Infiniti QX80, the oversized underachiever. It's too big to park, too thirsty to drive, and too unreliable to keep. Number 3, Tesla Model S, the early adopter tax. You paid $100,000 to beta test Elon's dreams. The market says those dreams are worth $35,000 now. Number 2, BMW 7 Series, the runner-up of ruin. 67.1% depreciation, $65,000 vanished. That's not depreciation, that's vaporization. The champion of financial destruction. Number 1, Jaguar I-Pace, the ultimate wealth destroyer. Ladies and gentlemen, the car is so bad that Jaguar is literally leaving America. 72% depreciation, $52,000 gone forever. Recalls for brakes, those things that keep you alive. Electrical fires, literally money burning. 234-mile range, my golf cart goes further. Repair costs that make Ferrari owners jealous. I traded mine in for $18,000. I owed $47,000. I'm still making payments on a car someone else owns. So there you have it, 20 ways to turn money into misery. But here's the good news. Knowledge is power, and you now have the power to avoid these financial disasters. Want to know what cars actually make money? My next video reveals the 15 vehicles that appreciate in value. Some of these investment cars actually pay you to drive them. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell because your financial future depends on making smart choices, not pretty ones. Remember, the most expensive car you can buy is the wrong car.